In today's video, we will take a look at ranges, what they are, why they are important, and how to use them in trading. In short, range is when the market moves sideways between the clear support, range low, and the resistance, range high level, without breaking out. These ranges form when the market lacks enough strength on either side. When the buying power matches the selling pressure, the price has no reason to test higher or lower levels, and therefore it goes sideways. A range can also serve as a market accumulation or distribution phase. That's why you can see ranges being formed before an aggressive upward or downward movement, simply because large players are accumulating their positions here. Once they accumulate their positions, the price move up or move down and their trades move into profit. So accumulation / distribution is also one of the functions of the ranges. How to trade a range? We trade ranges in two ways. Either we go short when the price reaches the range high, or we go long when the price reaches the range low. For example, if we know that the price is at the 4-hour range high, we monitor the 15-minute time frame for order flow. If we see a short setup there, we take action. Conversely, if the price is at 4-hour range low, we watch 15-minute time frame for a long setup, also using order flow. This was the method for trading within the range. The second method is called range breakout. Here, we wait for the price to break one side of the range, and then we wait for pullback back to the range. After that, we monitor the price action on lower time frames such as 5-minute, 15-minute or 30-minute charts. If the price breaks the 4-hour range high, during the pullback we expect a bounce upwards. And on the 15-minute time frame, we look for bullish setups. If this happens near this zone, near this key level, we open longs. Conversely, if the price breaks the range low, 4-hour range low, we look for bearish setups on a pullback, as we anticipate move downwards. So we use 5, 15 or 30-minute charts as our entry charts for potential shorts, if we see bearish setups. So in short, we use these range boundaries as a key levels for potential order flow entries on lower time frames. This is why it's best to identify ranges on 1 hour, 4 hour or daily time frame, because these higher time frames carry more weight and tend to be more respected. A very clear range can be seen on Bitcoin between levels of 100,000 and 111,000. With 100,000 acting as a support, range low, and 111,000 acting as a resistance, range high. When we lower the time frame to 15 minutes, we can closely monitor the order flow at these two levels and look for trading opportunities. At the range low, there were several bullish opportunities to make profit from, just as there were short opportunities at the range high of this range. Whenever the price reached the range high, we looked for a bearish order flow setup on the 15-minute time frame. Likewise, when the price approached the range low, we waited for bullish order flow setup. This is an example of how we trade within a range. Looking at the data from July 10th, we can see a range breakout. On August 2nd, the price returned to the original range zone, and this is the moment when we again monitor order flow on a lower time frame. As I mentioned earlier, after breakout of the range high, we look for bounce upward on the pullback. So we focus only on bullish order flow setups. Here I've found another range to demonstrate a breakout of the range low. Again, we see a strong breakout followed by pullback. Since it's pullback after range low breakout, we expect the price to bounce downward. So on lower time frames, we focus on bearish order flow setups. In my opinion, this is the best way how to trade range zones because you get multiple confluences in one spot. A strong high time frame zones, which tends to bounce the price, and order flow, which will confirm if this zone is really valid or not. On our website, you can find a full course on order flow crypto trading along with the free PDF materials. There are several modules with plenty of videos that explain each topic clearly, with practical examples, just like in this video. So if you want to continue learning, be sure to visit our website lunaracademy.eu. I'll leave you a link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching.